Hello, 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 loves. Welcome. Happy Wellness Wednesday. A little bit weird to start this video in the beauty room, but I figured I would just go ahead because I'm sitting here filming other stuff. So I thought I would film the intro to this video. What this video is going to be, it's going to be what I ate while traveling as a new plant-based person, a vegan. I thought it would be entertaining. I love watching these because honestly, traveling kind of scares me as someone who has recently changed their diet. Like, I've been a vegetarian for a long time, and that is so simple. It's so easy to find vegetarian things these days. And it's actually, if you go to the right places and you do your research, it's actually not hard to find vegan options. Of course, it can be difficult at the same time because you don't know if you don't do your research, because there are plenty of restaurants that will bake things in bacon grease or will make things with butter. So it is going to be a pretty quick video today, but I thought it would be entertaining. I love watching people go to restaurants and eat vegan because it helps me. I love going out to eat with my friends. We go out for birthdays a lot with my family too, so it's good to know that I have options and there are options out there, and it gets me really excited to see the progression that plant-based has come. Of course, this is not me telling you what you should be eating. This isn't going to be the healthiest what I eat a day or anything like that, or travel, like, I guess that's not really what I eat a day because it was over 2 days. So anyway, there are a few places that we went on this adventure. We were going to Seattle for my doctor's appointment. I go once a year for my checkup, to my rheumatologist for my arthritis. So that's what we were doing, and it actually ended up being quite an adventure because we got to the pass. I live in Spokane, Washington, and my doctor's in Seattle, Washington. It's about a 5-hour drive, and there is a mountain pass that you have to go over, and it was closed when we got there. So we found an alternate route. It ended up being quite the adventure, but we went to Taco Del Mar, we went to the Cheesecake Factory. The only thing I really requested to do while we were there was go to Whole Foods, which I had so much fun. So there is a little bit of a shop with me at Whole Foods. I'm not in any way trying to tell anyone what they should be eating, what they shouldn't be eating. This is just what I'm doing for me. And I am trying to eat mostly whole food, plant-based while I'm home. But when you're traveling, I feel like it's a little more difficult, and you kind of have to take what you can get because there aren't always that many options. But I don't think I did too terrible. I mean, we got some snacks. You gotta get snacks, right? Anyway, there was something that I did want to talk to you guys about before we jump into the actual video. Just about Wellness Wednesdays and the direction I want to take Wellness Wednesdays in. I feel like when I started Wellness Wednesdays, I wanted it to be kind of about my weight loss journey and counting calories and stuff like that. And I feel like I'm just mentally in a place where obviously I still need to and want to lose some weight for my health. But I feel like when I focus too much on dieting, I don't feel like it's healthy for me and healthy for everyone else. There were quite a few people that reached out to me and said that, you know, counting calories is really triggering to them. So, and I'm going to do what I need to do on my end, but I'm just going to still continue sharing my recipes with you. They're still going to be healthy, probably honestly healthier than they were in the past, because I am, again, mostly eating whole foods, plant-based. I'm eating so many more vegetables than I was even eating, and I've always been a big vegetable eater. And I just feel like, as someone who has struggled with weight their entire life, I'm gonna be real with you guys right now, because it's hard to put that out there. And when I'm continuously talking about things like check-ins, I haven't talked about my weight in a while. Over the holidays and when we lost Jack, I put on some weight. I put back on. I had lost some weight, and then I put some more back on. And it's a roller coaster. I feel like I can look at a cookie and gain weight, but then I have to go like so long dieting to lose anything. It's always been a struggle for me. It's always been difficult. I'm hoping that this new lifestyle that I have chosen will help me out in eating a lot less processed foods, having to not eat cheese. Of course, I will eat vegan cheese sometimes when I want to, because I'm not going to deprive myself. I was doing so good at working out all the time, but depending on how my arthritis is how much how I'm able to work out. So I will still continue to talk about health and stuff with you guys. I just want to focus it more on kind of my plant-based journey, because obviously no matter what, the meals that you're going to see are going to be plant-based, because that's how I eat now. But I just want it to be fun, and I want to put the fun back in it because I was so excited about it in the beginning, and then when your mind isn't right, and I have been going through quite a low, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, and a lot of you guys tell me to take time off, but this is just like any other job now. I can have my off days, but I still have to create content. I still have to be here. I still have to make these videos, and I'm so beyond blessed that I'm able to do something that I love for my job right now. I don't even think of it as a job, but at the end of the day, like, it's how I pay my mortgage. It's how I put food on my table. It's how I feed my little beans right here. So I am truly so blessed to have it as my job, but I still have to create content and I still have to be here with you guys and I still have to film. I am not at the point of being like, I'm not successful enough to take a week off. Like I can't do that. I could do that, but I would suffer the consequences. And I mean that with all the love in the world. Like I can't tell you guys, just like anyone with any job, you can't, when you're having a bad day, you can't just turn off. You just can't not go to the office. You can't just not go to work if you work in retail. There was never a day where I could just not, go to work when I worked in retail. Some days I would love to just snuggle my cats. I feel like this is going to turn into the longest ramble ever. But all I'm saying is we're still going to be creating healthy recipes, healthy food. But I feel like we're just going to focus a little more on plant-based, which is what I'm doing. And I am still personally going to be on my health journey. And I want you guys to I feel like diet culture, while necessary to some people, can be so toxic. And it's just, I've been in such a weird place lately. And I feel like I've wanted to talk to you guys about this for a while. And clearly we haven't really talked about weight loss because I haven't lost anything. Well, I have since I started getting back on track, but I'm still up. That's how it is. And that's how it's going to be when we got this. And I just want to recenter myself and maybe we'll start talking about calories and stuff at another point. I'll show you the nutrition facts or something like that on when I'm using anything that isn't a whole food, but I'm getting all off topic. So I hope this ramble made sense and I hope you guys are still going to be excited for Wellness Wednesdays. It's not going to change much at all. I'm just probably not going to really talk about weight loss. I'm just going to talk about health and wellness because that's what we want it to be. And that's kind of what I wanted it to be in the first place. And I feel like I just got lost on my own journey of like being obsessive about calories. And I'm one of those people that if I don't count calories, I will not eat enough and then I will binge. So it helps me personally in my personal, we're all different. What helps me might not be what helps you. What you want to eat is not going to be what I want to eat always. Like health is so personal. Eating is so personal. Like all of it is just so very personal. I just want to focus on what's really important and that's health. And I am really excited about this plant-based journey and maybe that's not for you, but you can always, if you see me cooking a meal, just make it to how you would want to eat it. If you want to add cheese, if you want to add meat, that's fine. If you want to add a meat alternative when I don't have one, I'm still going to be eating processed, meat alternatives and processed cheese sometimes, but I am trying to eat it less. But again, that has nothing to do with this video that we're about to watch right now. So I'm going to stop rambling. I hope this all made sense. I hope that you guys are cool with it. And I feel like this will make me more excited to film Wellness Wednesdays. But I might not call it Wellness Wednesdays anymore. I'm not sure. I might just try and do one food related video a week. I hope that's cool with you guys. I know I was really excited to have like one steady video a week, but sometimes it comes to like Tuesday and I don't have a food video and I'm not motivated to do it. I have to be in like a certain mind frame usually to film a clothing trend, to film a food video. Like I have to be in a certain headspace and that's just on me. That's just me personally. And again, with a little bit of the low that I've been going through, I feel like a lot of people have. I've known a lot of people right now that have just been experienced. I don't know if it's the seasonal depression or what, but it's been a struggle. I'm rambling so much. I'm sorry, guys. And let's just go ahead and finally jump into what I ate as a new vegan. This was my first adventure out traveling, which was very stressful, but I did a lot of research. I watched a lot of videos. I'll leave some of my favorite vegan YouTubers down below. Sweet Simple Vegan, they do a lot of videos where they go to restaurants, popular chain restaurants, and they find vegan options for you to make it so much easier. My hair's all crazy. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's get into this. I love you guys so much. All right, love. So the first thing that I had out, like while I was traveling, was a venti iced green tea latte. I did add 3 pumps of vanilla, which does make it very sweet. But the last time I got one, the barista was telling me how good it is with vanilla, so I decided to try it, and it was amazing. Then we went to Taco Del Mar. I just got a small burrito, and it was like the perfect size, and it was so good. Yes, I ate it all. And then we continued traveling. Right after that is when we found out that the pass was closed, so we went an alternate route and ended up going over Stevens Pass instead. So we did get to drive by Leavenworth, It did make it quite a longer trip, but I thought I would show you some of the scenery as we drove past. I've actually never been to Leavenworth, but I've always wanted to. It looks so stinking cute. This was when we were going over Stevens Pass, and it was so pretty. So then we went to the Cheesecake Factory, and my mom got the Impossible Burger, which is vegan. And then I got the avocado toast just without the creamy sauce that comes on it, and that makes it vegan. Sorry, the camera did not focus. Then I just got a side of steamed broccoli. This was what I ate for breakfast in the morning because I wasn't sure what to eat at the hotel with like their complimentary breakfast. This guy does appear, from what I can tell by the ingredients, to be vegan. Yeah, it was really good. I was impressed. Most Cliff Bars I have found seem to be vegan. Don't quote me though. And then these were just some snacks that I brought with me that I didn't end up eating, but I thought I would just show you guys what I brought along just so I was prepared. I had some little date rolls, some Made Good bars. I believe all Made Good bars are, they're made without any of the common allergens. I was trying to show you the info on the side, but they're also plant-based, and each one has a serving of vegetables, and they're so good. And then I just thought I would show you the other snacks that I brought just in case. I didn't end up eating like barely any of these. I brought some gummies from Trader Joe's. These are made without gelatin. We have some Cocoa Mel's. You guys know that I love them. And then all Ritz seem to be, well, all the Ritz that I have tried or looked at seem to be vegan. And then those were some cookies. I just made some vegan cookies for us to enjoy. And then the next morning I got a venti iced coffee with no classic, and I got vanilla instead. And then I added a little bit of soy. If you've been around a while, you know that I love me some iced coffee, and I used to always get it with cream. All I've had to really do is not get caramel sauce, which I love, and then replace the cream with soy. So then we did go to Whole Foods. That was my only thing that I really wanted to do while I was there. Oh my gosh, their bakery section was so cool. We got some really good vegan donuts. I definitely recommend trying those if you get them. I did get a chocolate scone, and I just was so amazed. There were so many options pretty much in every area. There was lots of good baked goods, and we walked around the whole store. We got lots of things. Everything was so cute too. I decided to show you the cute stuff even if it wasn't vegan, but there was a whole section that was like allergen friendly. I don't know how to say that correctly. I'm sorry guys. And there was lots of gluten-free stuff and vegan stuff. I tried that cinnamon roll blondie. It was so good, you guys. So good. And of course everything's a little bit pricey because it is Whole Foods, but it's exciting to have options. I was really impressed by their like lunch bar center, salad bar, I guess is the right word. There were so many fresh veggies, and there were vegan sushi options. They had the biggest selection of dairy-free yogurt I've ever seen, and just so many good options. So I was just shopping around, showing you guys what I found. I did pick up this cashew queso dip. I haven't tried it yet though, but I'll let you guys know. This was their cheese section. They're vegan and like cold cuts and stuff like that. They're Beyond Meat stuff and things, tofu. I need to try this vegan pizza, but I didn't want to have to put it in a cooler all the way home. So yeah, I didn't get it yet, but I want to try it. Then we went to my favorite restaurant in the whole world, which is Veggie Grill, if I can speak. We got the Santa Fe crispy chicken and the Mondo nachos to share. The entire menu is vegan, and they have the best vegan ranch. And that's my favorite place to go ever because there's an entire menu, which I'm not used to. Even as a vegetarian, I'm not used to be able to pick off an entire menu. And then I ate the vegan scone, and it was so good. And that was it. Alright guys, that is everything for what I ate while traveling as a plant-based person. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did. Let me know if you're excited about these videos, if you want me to do more of these of like what I eat. Going out to restaurants, because I love watching them. Yeah. So just give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it if you could. It does help me out so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. We upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and more. That's everything. I love you guys so much. I will talk to you soon. Bye. Thank you being on the heart. Thank you. You're being very stubborn right there. There we go. There's that face. So cute. We love you guys. Bye. Oh, you're too cute.